Hi guys, my name's Bill, and what I want to show you today is how to test and remove the heater on a Maytag Dependable Care dryer. Alright, so this is our Maytag dryer. I went ahead and removed the drum, taken the front and everything off of it to get access to the heater. Now the first thing you want to do when you test the heater is obviously the machine's unplugged at this point. But the first thing you want to do whenever you test it is remove the wires from that terminal and the other terminal on the heater. Now I left the purple one on there because it just runs to that thermostat. So I'm going to check it from right here. So remove the wires and we're going to hook our meter up to it. Alright, so I've gone ahead and hooked my meter up. We're going to switch it to ohms. And we should get about 10. Alright, so the heater's testing good. Now one more test you want to do on the heater in case the coils break is keep the meter connected to one terminal and touch it on the frame. We have nothing. That means the coils aren't shorted out to the case. We'll check the other side. We'll hook that up. And nothing. So that's a good heater. Alright, so real quick I'm going to show you how to remove the heater in case you have a bad heater. So what you want to do is there's a screw right here in the front. It's a 1/4 inch screw. And there's also a screw in the back right here. And you just want to go ahead and remove those screws. I'm going to go ahead and take those out and turn the camera back on. Okay, so I've removed the screws. And now to remove the heater, you basically just grab it. And it pulls out just like that. And if we want to look down inside, see the coils? Those are your heater coils. And everything looks good inside there. Real quick before I end this video, I want to show you something about the thermostats on this dryer. If you have a dryer that's running but not heating, that's when you'd want to check the heater. You know, first make sure you got voltage getting to your dryer. I'll make another video on that here shortly. Now when you're looking at the thermostats, you have a bimetal thermostat here. Now this one doesn't show continuity. At room temperature, the dryer will run, but it won't heat. Now this white thermostat right here, the dryer won't start up at all. This cuts the power to the motor. So if you have a dryer that's running and not heating, you would want to check this one. If you have a dryer that's not running at all, you would want to make sure you have continuity across those terminals. And the same thing with the two under here that are on the blower wheel. If you have a dryer that's running but not heating and you have proper voltage, test continuity between the purple and this blue wire over here at room temperature, and you should have continuity. Now the one down below, the dryer won't start at all. So if this is open, shows no continuity, the dryer won't start up at all. So that's real quick on the thermostats that are on the heater itself. And another thing you want to check on a dryer that's running and not heating is the motor centrifugal switch, which I have a video on my channel on how to test these terminals on the motor and also the switch down here and what they do. So if everything over here checks okay and you still don't have heat, go ahead and watch the video that I made on how to check the motor centrifugal switch. It's on my channel. Just go to the channel and search for it and you'll find it. Alright guys, so there you go. A little bit more troubleshooting for a Maytag dryer. Now if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you feel like it's helped you out in any way, shape, or form, if you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, that always helps. And thanks for watching.